Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add widgets on Windows 11. So I will show you two main ways of adding widgets. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is go to your desktop and then go to your search bar and type settings. Now once you have opened the settings, you will see the first search result, which is discover new widgets. So you'll have to click on discover new widgets. Now once you have clicked on that, you will find all the pin widgets and all the apps that you need. So here you will find, for example, the countdown, Facebook, focus session, timer, etc. So for this tutorial, I'll just use the timer as an example. So let's choose timer and click on pin. Now once you have added the timer widget, as you can see on the left, you will see a timer widget. We can name the timer and set the time that you want and click on plus. Now this was the first example. Now for the second one, you can go to the search bar again and then search for the Microsoft Store. Now once you have opened the Microsoft Store, go ahead in the search bar and search for widgets and you will find this app called Widget Launcher. Click on Widget Launcher, install it, and then open it. Now once you have opened Widget Launcher, you will find exactly like before all the widgets that you need, like the calculator, the calendar, the CPU meter, etc. So just choose any widget that you want and add it like we have done before. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.